Uy, nagluto na si Lucas sa oven. Ting! Ting! Okay, finish na. Cook na cook. May I see? Wow, luto ng iya baked potato. Okay. Wait lang, tanggal ah. Okay, close. Tadan!
Ha?
Lucas ang iya. Ano yun eh? Fries.
Fry.
This one.
Cake.
This one.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. This one.
Got one.
Burger.
Burger.
This one. Chips.
Chip.
This one.
Chocolate.
Wow. Is that your favorite food? Who served that?
Kaon na makaon.
Okay, kauna. Yummy. Which mama?
Ikaw, mama.
Share it with mama. Thank you.
Ako Lucas sa green.
Chocolate. This one is milky flavor. That one is wow, see? Nami ang iya food. Kay may tomato, may vegetable, may butter.
Mama, putang ma. Putang. Lada, ama. Lada. Ang balakik ba? Okay na.
Iya oven. Oven ni Lucas, oven. Okay.
Dili understand what
Close the oven. Turn the time. Tit, tit, tit. Okay. Nag-counting pa ko no siya. Nag-counting pa ko siya. Naluto na ko no. Ay niya chip cook. Open na siya. Ay, maluto pag apil.